Hi, I'm James with JNC Home Repair. Today I'm going to show you how to clean a sink drain. Okay, most of the time when there's a problem with the drain, it's not draining properly. Nine times out of 10, the problem is in the P-trap of your sink. Okay, this is a pretty common PVC P-trap. Okay, the one that's installed in here is an older chrome stainless model. Okay. Basically what you want to do is you just want to remove the P-trap, remove the compression nuts, take your P-trap apart, just like so, and that's what you're left with. Okay, now most of your blockages that's clogging up the sink are going to occur right in here somewhere. Okay, you can just easily look down in there and be able to tell if it's clogged up or not. Okay, if it is, it's just a matter of getting something in there, cleaning it out, washing it out, and reinstalling it back on there. That'll usually take care of any kind of cleaning your sink drain. Okay. Now there is a lot of chemicals and a lot of other things that you can get from your hardware store you can just pour down the drain, and you don't have to do this. But the natural way to do it is to actually pull your pipes off, make sure there's no blockages, wash them out, clean them out, and you're good to go. If you have any more questions on this topic, you can contact me at jnchomerepair.com.